How to make longer reels on Instagram up to 90 seconds. Hi everyone, it is GuideHacks, and in this video I will show you how to make longer reels on Instagram. Now let's get started. First you need to go to App Store and make sure that you have updated Instagram to the newest version. Then open Instagram and tap plus option at the top and select Reel. Now tap Length on the left. This option will open a menu where you can select the duration of the reel. For example, you can select 15 seconds, 30 seconds, 60 seconds, or 90 seconds. 90 seconds is the maximum length for the reels right now. When you selected the length, you can just start recording the reel as normal. And that's all. It was how to make longer reels on Instagram. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we would appreciate if you subscribe to our GuideHacks channel.